What's happening, YouTube buddy old pals? It's the homie G-Walk, and I am back with another video. As y'all can see, we have those wing things, you hear me? The Jordan 10 wings. Alright, y'all see we got my size 11.5. Yes sir. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone out there. Yeah. We gonna go ahead and open up this box. The wings. Oh my God. Y'all sleeping on these, bruh. Y'all sleeping on these. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. These are so beautiful. Beautiful. You can't see up, well you can, hold on, let me see. Turn to the side, you can probably see them. It's hard to see the accomplishments on the bottom of them. I can see a little bit right there. Yes, sir. It's the left shoe. Hey, look, check this out. So, the left shoe, I like the little silver metallic stuff get going on right there. All right, the left shoe got like, you know what I'm saying? There's that orange, the orange stitching right there, and the green, right? And on the other side, you got the blue and the red with the wing tag right there. He just dope. Look at the right shoe. Alright, so the right shoe got the pink and purple with the wings. On the other side, got the brown and yellow. He's just hard, man. Inside, Celtics green. Oh my God. Ooh, look at that. Y'all better go cop them if they still available. These are even harder in person. They look better in hand. This box, it's a dope box too, man. This box hard. The roses. Man, look at that. Gonna kill. Who calling me? Give me 1 second, y'all. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. That was my homie G Jones. Alright, see if I was trying to answer the call of duty. If we gonna get on this tonight. And y'all let me know if y'all wanna get on the game with us, man. Send y'all gamer tags or whatever. We'll play with you. As long as y'all don't be talking crazy on there. I ain't with all that. But yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all on foot on these, bro. Show y'all how they look on foot. These are hard. I'm just gonna get right into it with these, bro. Killing. I already know it's gonna be some folks in the comments talking about these whack and Jordan brand needs to cut it out, and you know what I'm talking about. But it's cool. I like these. I don't care what y'all say. I like them. So kick rocks. But nah, everybody entitled to their own opinion. It's all good. I mess with these young though. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I'm gonna show y'all these on foot real quick. Alright, let me go throw some pants on. I'll be right back. Alright, man. Had to throw on something quick for y'all real quick so y'all can see these on foot, man. What y'all think about these, bro? I like them. What y'all think about these? The arm fatigue, man. Y'all know I rock with the arm fatigue, bro. I like that camo. That camo dope to me. And I almost go with anything, bro. So if y'all want to find something to rock y'all shoes with, bro, man, try out that camo. Can't really go wrong with it. Jordan wings, Jordan 10 wings. I like them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What y'all think about the gray joggers with these? The gray jog is pretty cool. What y'all think? Gray joggers or camo? Or neither? Or should I just throw these shoes in the trash, man? Tell Nike they need to do better. What y'all think? But it's the homie G-Walk, man, checking out. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these Jordan 10 wings, man. Let me know what y'all think about these in the comment section. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell if y'all hadn't already. Tell a friend to tell a friend about the homie G-Walk. And I am out.